Want to build a digital product that earns while you sleep, using nothing but free and low-cost AI tools? In this video, I'll walk you through how to create and sell a complete online course in just one day. You don't need to be a content creator, you don't need a camera, and you don't even need prior experience. We'll use AI to handle your course topic, your content, your video creation, and even your marketing. Let's build an income stream that runs itself. Start by opening ChatGPT on your computer. Type in this prompt. Give me 10 profitable online course ideas that a beginner could create using free AI tools. You'll get ideas like using Canva for Instagram Reels, selling printables on Etsy, or creating Notion templates for freelancers. Next, choose one of the ideas and go deeper. Ask ChatGPT. Break this into 10 sub-niches. Look for something that's simple, specific, and solves a real problem. Let's say you choose Canva for small businesses. Now you've got your course topic, how small business owners can use Canva to create their social media graphics fast. You can validate your idea with free tools like Everbee or Etsy Hunt by searching similar digital products and seeing what people are paying for. Next, let's build the course content using AI. In ChatGPT, type, create a 5-module course outline for a beginner-level course on your topic. You'll instantly get a professional course structure with lesson titles. Then prompt ChatGPT again with, write a 300-word script for Module 1 titled, Insert Title Here. Use a clear conversational tone. Repeat this for each module. Keep each script short and simple. Think 3 to 7 minutes of talking time per lesson. Copy everything into Google Docs or Notion. Now you've got a complete course, written in less than an hour. Now it's time to make your course videos, without ever stepping in front of a camera. Let's start with Synthesia. Upload your script, pick an AI avatar, choose your background, and click Generate. You'll have a faceless video ready in minutes. If you're on a budget, use Canva. Search presentation and choose a clean template. Paste in your script as slide content. Then record a voiceover using ElevenLabs or Canva's audio recorder. Export the slides as an MP4 and you've got your first video lesson. Another option is Pictory. Paste your script and Pictory will generate visuals, captions, and voiceover automatically. You can swap in different stock footage, highlight key text, and even upload your own brand assets. Now let's turn your content into a digital product. Go to Gumroad.com and create a free account. Click New Product and select Digital Product. Give it a name. If you need help, just ask ChatGPT. Write a high-converting product name for a course about your topic. Next, upload your videos. You can host them directly or upload a Google Drive link and include that in a PDF. Set your price. Anywhere between $19 and $49 works great for entry-level content. Then ask ChatGPT to write your product description and bullet points. Paste that into your Gumroad listing. You now have a live product ready to sell. Next, let's automate your marketing, so you don't have to promote every day. In ChatGPT, type, write 3 TikTok video scripts, 3 Instagram captions, and 3 Pinterest pin ideas promoting my course on your topic. You'll get short, punchy content written for you. Use Canva to design visuals, then schedule your posts using Buffer or Metricool. Your course promo now runs in the background, automatically bringing in traffic. If you want to collect emails, connect Gumroad to a free email service like MailerLite and let it deliver bonus downloads or discount codes. In under one day, you've created and launched your own online course, using just a few free tools and smart prompts. You picked a topic, wrote the lessons, made the videos, listed the product, and scheduled the marketing, and you didn't even need a camera. This is the power of AI, and this is what Passive AI Now is all about. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more passive income ideas that build themselves.